Here I have LARK Evolution X4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon right here, then let's find and select the settings. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and under personal tab choose language and input. So from the following list, let's choose language. As you can see here, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me just show you how to change language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Español right here. And as you can see now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select the apps icon, choose Ajustes right here. And then from the following list, let me choose Idioma y Traducción de Texto. Tap Idioma one more time. And here let's choose the English, for instance, from United States. And that's it. Right now everything is back to English, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.